Stephen, just tell me about the work that's happening over these next 3 weekends.
So we're here for this first weekend to undertake the renewal of 260 metres of track between the tunnels in Gateshead and Gateshead Stadium. That's our first package. Our second package, taking place over the Easter weekend, is a 800 metre length of track renewal between Gateshead Stadium and Felling. And then the final weekend on the May bank holiday is a approximately 600 metre renewal, again between Gateshead Stadium Station and Felling, but this time on the adjacent track.
And how will that work be done?
The work will involve a team of engineers, or subcontractors, coming in. They will burn the existing rail into 20-foot panels. These panels will be uplifted onto the back of Unimog trailers and removed for disposal. The team will then come and excavate out the redundant ballast, and then following the removal of the redundant ballast, a new geotextile separation layer is laid, followed by the new ballast, the new sleepers, the new rails are clipped on, followed by top ballast, and then finally we do a tamp before the overhead line guys and the signal guys come in, do their adjustments and checks, and then the track is opened up for the public on the Monday morning.